Hello everyone. Today we have an important concern that we'd like to address. As we all know, with the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, most schools have transitioned their classes to an online learning mode. Because of this, many parents have a legitimate concern about increased screen time and exposure for their children. We realize that children too are feeling disengaged because of online fatigue. At Joy of Anubhava, we've deliberately kept these concerns in mind while designing and structuring our workshops. Our book exploration programs make efficient use of limited screen time by offering a wide variety of options. Our shortest workshop is 90 minutes long, where children get to experience different art activities. We also have a week-long workshop which is in a blended learning format with 3 online sessions which are 90 minutes long and home activities spread across the week. We also have a long-term program in a similar blended format with online and offline engagement over 3 months. So park your worries and come try out one of our workshops. We're sure your child will have a joyful experience. Thank you.